So this is the curry chicken that I made, which I just poured just basic curry powder on top. But I want to kick it up a little bit. I'm gonna remove some of this liquid, even though there's a lot of vitamins and minerals in this liquid. I will probably pour some of it back in. But I'm gonna take, if you ever watched 100 Steps, the character's mother had given him a spice a suitcase full of her homemade spice sauce mixtures that was already pre-made, and I thought that was a really good idea. So I using the same similar idea where you take spices and you heat it up in some kind of fat, like in this case clarified butter, and I made my own curry variation. And as you can see from the heat of the chicken itself, it's already melting this sauce right into it. Since I like my gravy, I'm just gonna pour the rest of this in. For me, I can use the fat because the chicken is very lean. So for my keto diet, this is a good idea.